In the previous video, I uninstalled the version 0.3 client and installed the latest version. So I'm just going to open that up again and show you the problem that you might well face when you open it up. And when it opens up, as you can see, once it connects to the network, you'll have this warning here. Warning, blockchain redownload required, approaching or past version 0.4. That's because the upgrade deadline was on the 4th of May 2014. And so if you've updated your client since then the blockchain redownload will be necessary. So I'll go through how you do that. So first thing is to come out of your wallet. And then on the forum, the link that I showed in the previous video, there's a section called blockchain redownload involves. Back up the wallet. Well, we've already backed up the wallet. Note down balance stake amount. I've shut down the client. And now it says to remove all files subdirectories in the wallet directory except for wallet.dat and ppcoin.conf. So the folder this is relating to is your app data peercoin folder. So I'll open that up and show you where it is. On my system, it's under C users, the name of the user, which in my case is actually user, but you'll have a different name there. And then it's in app data roaming ppcoin. So you should have something like this, like the blockchain are these files here. And it says to leave inside there your wallet.dat and ppcoin.conf. So let's go back here. So we want to keep that and we want to keep that. Everything else can go. Now you might not have a ppcoin.conf depending on whether you've actually set one up, and which you might well have had to do for the minting, which I go through in a previous video. And I had to set up a ppcoin for that. So I've got that, but you might not have that. But basically everything else you can delete. So I'm going to delete all this database, all this stuff here, and delete it. Yes. So now all I've got is ppcoin.conf and wallet.dat. And then it says to start up the client. So I can go back here and start up the client. And this time, once it's open, it's going to say, warning, checkpoint is too old. Wait for blockchain to download or notify developers of the issue. So basically now it's going to take a really long time to be able to re-download the blockchain. And so for now, I'm just going to pause the video and come back when that's done. Okay, just a quick update. I'm still downloading the blockchain. And if I scroll over on the client over here, we can see that it's downloaded 107,634 of 112 is 95.33% done. And so it's just catching up with the last 30 days. And there we go. The blockchain's all been downloaded and it says minting suspended due to a locked wallet. And if we go to the app data folder in users and then the name of your username, app data roaming ppcoin, you can see that all the files that we deleted, they've now been re-downloaded. The latest blockchain has been re-downloaded. And I guess that's one of the good things about Peercoin is that that took around 1 hour in total to download the blockchain, whilst other digital coins take a lot longer because their blockchain is so big. But the Peercoin blockchain is actually fairly small.